Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, a little playing around with a 3D effect. This time I'm going to use the word epilogue, and you kind of got to do it in a certain order. So I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and move this one up here. And then I'm going to hit the plus key, I'm going to nudge one over. And then I'm going to go and hit this and I'm going to right click a white outline. So I've got a black outline and a white outline. I'm going to go to effects and blend. I'm going to blend it more than I did the first time. I'm going to blend it 500 times. And by having this duplicate, I can turn it blue, take away the outline, and nudge it on top of my outline, and it fits perfectly. And what's kind of cool about this, when you put a black background on it, or even a dark color, probably of any kind, and go to order back a page, it actually makes it look like it's coming out of the darkness, because you've got a little, remember we started with black and went to white uphill. Pretty cool effect. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.